For my next video, I'd like to do one from a company, Alampever, Alampever, and their large globe LED light bulb. This is the decorative dimmable LED with 6-watt equivalent to 40-watt light bulbs. 2700 Kelvin soft white. And let's go ahead and, it's not really an unboxing of this. There's not really a whole lot to unbox other than here's the way it looks. And I'm going to show with it on and different views. And then I'm going to show with it off. Nothing exciting there. Just wanted to show what it would look like with it off. And we're going to get into some tech specs on this. Pretty simple. It's a light bulb. 6-watt E26 medium for the bulb base, 40-watt incandescent equivalent. Alampever has been dedicated to crafting lighting products for 17 years, aiming to provide high-quality products. If you encounter any issues during use, please contact them immediately. They will provide they will promptly address the problem and offer assistance to ensure enjoy your product worry-free. It's very easy to install, standard E26 medium base for use of most household fixtures or hanging lamp. There's 2 packs to a box. Smooth dimming, dimmable LED spiral flexible filaments for a range of 10% to 100% according to your dimmer performance. Unfortunately, the light that it's in was not a dimmer. It was just on to display it. So compatible with most Lutron new types of dimmers. Effective energy is 6-watt LED replaces 40-watt incandescent. So you're making a big savings there. 6-watt LED to replace a 40. High energy saving. Heat dissipation lasts 15,000 hour lifespan. The CR190 color rendering index to show more real color, 2700 Kelvin, warm white glow with a little warm 300 lumens to full brightness and perfect for accent lightness. Has a wide application, suit for outdoors, fixtures, illuminating art, collectibles and showcase, cabinets, labeling, ideal for bedroom, living room, dining room, etc. I'm going to put a link on where you can purchase this, and you can look at some of their other lights. You can look and look and look, and there's just tons of different styles of lights they have. So that's my video on the Alampever large globe LED light bulb. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.